Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Verbling account settings step by step clearly. To reset your Verbling account settings, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Verbling website by typing in the URL. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, find your profile icon or name, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from the options presented in the drop-down. In the Settings menu, you'll find various tabs related to your account. Look for the Account tab and click on it. Here, you will see the option to reset your settings. Read the instructions carefully provided on the Reset Settings page. If you're ready to proceed, click on the Reset Settings button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking you to confirm your decision. Review the prompt and click Confirm to finalize the reset process. Once completed, your account settings will be restored to default. You will receive a notification confirming that your settings have been reset. Finally, log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.